Hey planner babes, and welcome to another plan with me. This video is going to be super fun because I have been pushing and challenging myself lately. So this week's spread, I'm not going to plan in just one planner. I'm going to plan in two different planners in one video. So this might be a little bit long. I'm going to try to fast forward through all the slow parts like I normally do. But the catch, like the title you've probably heard, I'm going to be using one kit, not just a normal kit, a mini kit. Oh my gosh, it's literally 2 pages of stickers, and I'm going to try to make this work for 2 planners, a classic planner and a mini planner. So I ordered these stickers a while ago from Cricut Paper Co on Etsy, and this is her Seaside Sorbet Happy Planner mini kit, and these are on vinyl stickers. I just loved the artwork on this kit. I think it is so cute, and I don't know if she does her own artwork or not, or if she gets it from Etsy or something, but I love it. And look at the colors on this kit, you guys, and I think the vinyl really makes them pop. Alright, so I'm going to be planning for the week of the 16th through the 22nd of July. I always like to start off with my weekend banner, and this is just so cute. Look at it, guys. Look how cute. Okay, and then the next thing I like to do is place down my checklists, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now as well. Also, in case you're wondering, yes, I am using some tweezers. I've seen a couple of girls on YouTube actually use tweezers to pick up their stickers. And if you watched my last video using these stickers, I had a really hard time trying to pick up and place them because they're so flimsy because they're vinyl. I think I might add this orange sticker to Sunday. So what I think I might do is I'm going to cut up this floral box, and that way I can use it in multiple fashions. This is just a slice cutter, and I got this from Michael's. So I'm just going to cut this down just a tad to make it smaller, a little bit like that, and lay it on the top. And then I'm going to take a box, and let's see, I'm gonna use the mermaid scale. I think I might use just, ooh, this lime green one is calling my name. So I'm gonna use this lime green quarter box and just put that down right here. And I'm just gonna add, this is the Tombow brush pen in the color 312, and I'm just gonna add little like brush marks like all around, just like fun different size brush marks. I'm gonna use this pink dot sticker from the watercolor kit, and I'm gonna place that down right here because I will be uploading a plan with me right here, which is probably this video that you're watching right now. Okay, so now I want to add some deco. I absolutely love this little fin right here, and I'm gonna place that down on Wednesday. Alright, I'm going to go into the Colorful Boxes kit. I just want a plain box with nothing on it so it's not clashing. And I'm going to try to find a pink or a green color that matches. And yeah, here we go. There's one at the bottom. I think I'm gonna take this more blue color, which is really pretty. And I'm gonna mark that with this like little heart that's also from the watercolor Happy Planner kit, just like that. Okay, and now I want to add some more deco. Let's see, I really love this like Starbucks one, which is so cute. So I think I might add that to the bottom right here. I want to add one like right here too. So I'm going to pull this coffee sticker that has a little bit of teal in it, and I'm just going to place that down on Monday for my Coffee Monday. I'm going to place it on this side. Right, and then I'm going to take the marker and just mark right here because I'm probably going to write Coffee Monday because that is my jam. Alright, so now I'm going to move over to my sidebar, so I'll bring you guys in a little bit. I'm going to cover up this notes text with a little bit of whiteout. Then I'm going to take a glitter header, and I'm just going to choose this green because I feel like the other colors don't really match the kit that well. And I'm just going to try to cover up this part right here, and I'm going to take this green habit tracker and just place that down right here. Whew. Sorry guys. And actually, because I have a lot of green on the side, I'm going to swap this habit tracker out with the pink habit tracker that came in the kit. Then I'm going to take this little section right here. That way I can add a nice little quote. Very straight, has proven to be very difficult. And then I'm going to take a little checklist. And this is just like the simple one from the Happy Planner productivity kit. I'm just going to chop off to do. Actually, I'm just going to chop off the top part because I don't need it, and that way I can save it for another plan with me. And I'm going to place this down here for Happy Mail. So I want to cover this up with some whiteout. And then I'll put another glitter header just to break it up so it's not so empty, and I'll do the lime green one again. I'm going to take this Sharpie marker, and this is just the permanent marker that will work on vinyl, like right here, and I'm just going to put like working out, and then here I'll just put Happy Mail. Alright, so I felt like it was missing one more thing, so I'm going to use this really cute Friday sticker, and I think I'll put it right here because it's kind of empty, so I'll just place that down. Alrighty, so this spread looks pretty good to me. It looks the way that I would normally plan for it with my little sidebar section and then my little weekly spread. So this is what I have left. I have a lot of these boxes, so that's actually really good. So all right, now let's move on into my mini spread. Well, planning a little bit ahead, so that's why those weeks were kind of empty. Okay, so this is the 16th through the 22nd. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with putting my checklists down. But I think I want to utilize these a little bit differently. So I'm going to take my ruler and my slice tool, and I'm going to cut these in half so that way I can use a little bit more of them. Alright, so now I'm going to move on to Monday. Let me bring you in just a tad. I'm going to start by using the green checklist that I just cut down. And I'm going to put that underneath where it says Monday. Then I'm going to decorate the side with a box, and I think I'm going to cut this box down as well. So I want to use the lemon box, and it's going to be too big. Oh, actually, let me do this. Okay, girl, that's cute. Alright, so I'm just going to bring this down. That way I don't have to cut it because it's too cute to cut. You know what I'm saying? Actually, let's see. This, and then I want to add a little glitter box right here. So I think what I might do is just overlay this right here. Alright, so for Tuesday I'm going to add another one of these really cute heart stickers. I'm just going to place it right there. Wednesday is the day that I have my little speech, so I don't have that much to do on Wednesday either, but I think I might add a checklist here. I'm going to use this green Today sticker from the Happy Planner watercolors kit, and I'll just add that to the side right here. I think I know what I want to do here. I'm not quite sure, so I'm just going to move on to Friday and Saturday. So this is the weekend. I want to use a full box here, and I love this one right here. And I'm going to add it to the middle. I'm going to stick this down like right here. So I'm going to take this box right here and just cut it in half. Okay, stopped recording, couldn't see. Okay, so I'm going to take this little checklist, place it down over here, and then I'm going to take this full sticker right here, and I'm just going to place this down here just to cover up where it says rock this week. It's just going to be a little bit of that. Okay, just like that. And I'm actually going to use this over here. Stick that down. I'm going to stick this checklist back down here. I think I'll overlap it. Got this pink Enjoy Today sticker from the memory keeping kit, and I'm just going to place that down right here. I'm going to use this Just Go For It sticker from the mini productivity kit, and I like this She Who Dares sticker wins, so I'll place that down here. Cute. Alright, so this is the spread in my mini happy planner. These are the stickers that I have left. So these are the final spreads in my classic and mini happy planner. This was a little fun challenge. Of course, I had to use some other stickers from other kits, but I tried to keep that at a minimum, so I didn't use all happy planner stickers, just the ones that I really needed to use. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely subscribe and like if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!